Hello, this is Mike. Continually from the previous video, part 2. In today's video, I shall demonstrate the steps how to embed existing Power Apps into Power BI report and Power BI service side. In the screen, we have the Power BI report created in previous video based on online Excel source from OneDrive. We have three report pages. Page 1, we have slicers, KPI cards, and a summary table. Page 2, we have 9 charts for blood pressure measures and heartbeat measures, which can be filtered by slicers. Page 3 has the same 9 charts as page 2, but with different slicers. In page 1, we reserved the empty space for embedding Power Apps. To embed Power Apps, we have to insert the Power Apps visual into the report page. This action can be done on Power BI service side. Thus, the first step is to publish the Power BI desktop file to Power BI service side. Publish. Choose the workspace we want to publish. Select Replace if you have published the report before. Report published successfully to service side. Click to open report on the service side, and we are on the service side to review the report. Quickly go through and review the all 3 pages, and we see all what we should have. Let's check the report dataset and workspace by clicking the top left workspace name, Power BI Developments. In all lists, we can find the Power BI dataset and its report content. Click the report content, and it brings us back to the Power BI report service. Now we can embed Power Apps by editing the report on the service side. Click the Edit on the top ribbon. We are in the Report Editor windows on the service side. We see the fields and visualization on the right side as we have in the desktop. We shall insert the Power Apps visual into report. If you miss the Power Apps visual in your report visualization list, you may click 3 dots in the end of visualization list to import Power Apps visual from Microsoft App source side. Click the empty space in report page and the Power Apps visual. Adjust the size of the frame. From the field list, pick and drop the name field into Power Apps Visual Data field. We have a previous created and shared Power Apps. Click Choose App button. In pop-up window, choose our created Power Apps BP log demo for YouTube video. Click Add button. Skip to save the app and the Power Apps Studio. Close the pop-up remind box. Now we have completed the steps to embed the Power Apps. Save the edit version on the service side. We can publish the Power BI report to Power Apps side. Go to Power BI Report Developments workspace. On top right side, click the button Update App. We are in the Power BI Apps Publish window. Have a quick review regarding the branding setup, navigation setting, and access setting. We are okay to publish the Power Apps by press Update App button. Click the Go to App to view the published Power BI report apps. Under the Last Apps section, PBI and Power Apps integration for YouTube video, we can find our 3 report pages there. In the first page of the PPI apps, we see the embedded Power Apps. Please refresh with your icon on the top right ribbon once more. Sort the BP records by name. Compare and check the records between summary table and the list of Power Apps. By this phase, we have embedded Power Apps into published Power BI service successfully. In next video, we shall create Power Automated Flow to refresh the Power BI dataset when we have Excel record updated and OneDrive. With the help of this Power Automated Flow, we can online update Power BI reports by Power BI embedded Power Apps. If you like the video and continue to watch more, please press subscribe button below. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.